This week's biggest headline is Microsoft's boldest bet yet. They're calling it Agentic Migration, an ambitious mission to move 1 billion lines of C and C++ to Rust by 2030, powered by AI agents. Their target almost sounds unreal. Backhand index pointing right, one engineer migrating 1 million lines of code every month. This isn't just about fixing bugs, it's about trusting AI to think deeply enough to carefully replace 40 years of handcrafted C++ engineering, safely, intelligently, and at massive scale. Yes, the R&D costs are huge. But the reward? Even bigger, potentially saving billions in cyber risk over the coming years. Meanwhile, the AI war is evolving. We've moved beyond chat and entered the era of reasoning. Gemini 3 brings a jaw-dropping 1 million token context window. And GPT 5.2 introduces thinking mode, where the AI literally pauses, checks itself, and then responds. In real-world business testing, GPT 5.2 delivered nearly 10% higher accuracy, earning a new nickname. Direct Hit, the senior analyst AI. Yes, it costs more per token. But it delivers smarter, sharper, faster results than traditional human workflows. Now this almost feels historic. AWS and Google Cloud have actually teamed up, introducing a secure multi-cloud bridge, now generally available. It provides private, encrypted 1 gigabit connections between AWS VPCs and Google VPCs. Meaning you can keep your data in AWS and instantly process it on Google Vertex AI without headaches. Cloud lock-in? Breaking. Complex networking? Almost gone. Efficiency? Absolutely massive. Back to Microsoft. Azure has officially launched HorizonDB, a cloud-native, Postgres-compatible database. Delivering 3 times faster performance, built-in AI vector search, and instant scaling without touching sharding. It's clearly built for mission-critical systems, where performance matters and downtime simply isn't acceptable. And now, your 72-hour warning. On December 30th, Azure will disable manual VPN certificate authentication. If you haven't moved to Entra authentication yet, your remote access could literally stop working. And Python developers, an urgent reminder. Python 3.14.2 is out, fixing a critical multiprocessing crash. If your systems depend on Python, don't wait for January. Update now. So here's the big question. With Microsoft betting the future on AI-driven code migration, with reasoning models becoming smarter every day, and with cloud platforms finally working together, are we stepping into the real future of technology? Or are we quietly building a very expensive AI bubble? Comment future if you believe this is the next industrial revolution. Or bubble if the risk still feels bigger than the reward. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It truly helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss the biggest tech stories every single week.